my god. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm hanging out with my cousins. And my goodness. Look at this. He told me that he bought it from Amazon a long time ago. I don't remember how long time ago. He he might have forgot. He said he wanted to do this model. I mean, the setup with me for a while because it's a huge task. Look how big that thing is. Wow.
It's like a lot. Do you have like any of those?
No, I have this small, already full setup.
I used to have one, but I don't know where it is.
Yeah, my cousin was looking for the special tools for this particular thing. This thing is
You know, that's something worth noting. That's something worth capturing, right? Because it looks so cool, right?
Yeah.
You'll be like, wow, I want to see them build this.
Yeah. It's a huge argumentless task. It's like there's no telling. It'll be like a big ass model instructions, and it's gonna be like, oh dear lord, this is a nightmare. I seen some like from recent Gundam shows, like I don't Iron Blood Orphans, but that one I don't know. It's not as good when you compare with the other previous Gundam shows, and wow, this is a model that was not so recent, more like a long time ago kind of thing.
Yeah, it's not a new one. But it still look cool if you make it.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if it's still in production, so I doubt it. It's like this is one that was probably out of production, and now they're costing exorbitant out of price. I'm like, damn, that's something I should stay away from.
What?
I seen like Hong Kong folks doing models, and I'm like, damn, that's not an easy task.
That's why if you do it, it's fulfilling.
That's I know. And then the Japanese fans, they're like, yeah, let's do it. I'm like, oh, and everyone's like,
love that stuff.
outside Asia, they're like, oh, screw this. I am not getting this. I'm gonna keep it myself. I'm like, can you just open it and like make setups? Yeah, this thing was very good. I thought about Iowa. It was Iowa model not so long ago, but that one's tossed away. I'm like, oh man.
Who's Iowa?
I think it was USS Iowa battleship that I think I made it not long ago. My mom threw it away.
What?
I'm like, oh man.
That's not cool, dude. You threw it away?
Yeah, I was bummed.
To make it.
Yeah.
It'll be like our project. It'll be the Lawrence and Eric project, right?
I was like, yeah, damn. It said Hobby Japan. That was, I think it was still around. Look at the front view and rear view. It's like, look at this. This is one that nobody was talking about. It outside of Asia, that is. Nobody was talking about this model. Everybody in Asia was already talking about it, but outside, they're like, nope. Yeah. So I finally got this plastic out of here. Now we can see it raw without it. Wow. This is so much better. Sure, there's some creatures, but okay. I'm gonna leave it. This is all like, wow. It's a huge one. Oh well, so I couldn't believe there's a manual that says. I couldn't believe that artwork they made was so long ago.
Yeah. all in Japanese too.
Oh my god.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think this is one.
We're almost. Well.
No,
No.
not even close.
Not even close to being done. It's like we just have a checklist right there. Like it's not even close to being.
You're still in step 1.
We're still in step 1. It was like so gigantic. That task is so gigantic. You can't even imagine the process that I think most mech model model assemblers would agree on.
Yeah. It's just fun to do once in a while.
It's just fun if like it was done in a group of 4.
Not a group of 4, maybe it's a group of 2.
A group of 2 or 4, I don't know. If I think even mech fans would agree that task is a long, frustrating one, but it's just worth it. It's just a fun project if you think about it. It's just one. But if you're buying if you're a diehard mech fan and you're buying exorbitant amounts of models, yeah, that's gonna take more than a month to do all with this too, unless you had a team of 7 or 12. Oh well, but it was fun though.
Are you gonna try to do more next time or no?
I'm gonna do more.
Just tired today.
We're just all tired. I'm just tired too. I'm like
Eating.
from eating and waking up, and yeah, that's it. So hopefully when
There was another pair of tweezers.
oh my gosh,
You could've.
these are the special tools. These are the special tools you mentioned though. Yeah. This is coming from a long time ago. I have a Record 7 model, but it was like twice. It was this size. It was about this size when I got it. I'm like, oh dear.
Oh, you got a level 7?
Eureka 7. It was a Nashva, the main. I think it was piloted by Ren and Eureka. So that task is even much similar to this. So I'll come back later. And so that's
Next time.
yeah. Later.